Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but back with a new video of the acKord. Just wanted to talk to you guys about a couple things before the video started. I wanted to mention that the trans is like super hurt, so Yosefry was kind of taking it easy in between each gears. The car currently has a brand new setup from top to bottom, and the trans has gotten an overhaul because obviously, you guys know how these K-series trans are. They break for nothing. I mean, the car, was making good power, but we didn't think it was gonna break the trans so easily, but it did. But like I mentioned, the car does have a brand new setup. All this footage was taken last year, but I'm just now releasing it because honestly, this whole time I didn't think it was worth it, but during this quarantine, I just wanted to upload, so why not? So yeah, stick to the end of the video to see the brand new setup on the acKord. Hope you guys like this video. I know it's been a while, but here's the acKord. Nice new setup. If just everyone wants me to share the specs, I will in the description, so look for that. It's up a header right now.
Oh my fucking god, bro.
God damn, it's spinning a second like a bitch.